Hi, my name's Bridget. This is my submission for the Sea Turtle Challenge, where we're doing the fitness testing. We're starting with the beep test. By we, I mean Tom. He's starting with the beep test. So yes, beautiful. So, Tom, are you aware of how the beep test works?
Yes.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do, I'll just recap it for you. Okay, is you're gonna run 20 meters. So we've measured out 20 meters from this little pole here to the second tree is where 20 meters has been measured out. So just for reference, all the way here, right? Just make sure you're above the line across the ground. Just make sure your foot crosses that line before you pivot and turn back. Alright? Same thing down here. Make sure your foot goes over the line before you pivot and run back. So it's 20 meters each way, alright? So the first few rounds are going to be nice and slow. You'll have a bit of rest in between. Use that time to make sure that you bring your heart rate back down, okay? Focus on your breathing, alright? And those intervals are going to get smaller and smaller as the test goes on. Do you have any questions?
No.
Do you have some water? Do you need some water?
No.
Okay.
A triple beep after a 5-second countdown.
So,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
sit. And hold there. Alright. Good work. Easy. Good job. Yep. Hold. Can you hear the beep all right? Can you hear the beep? Yeah. Beautiful. Sit. Use your arms. Hi.
Start of level 2.
Nice. That's level 2. Okay. Doing really well. That's it. Start upping that pace. Well done. That's it. Pull it all the way across the line. Doing really well, Tom. Sit all the way past this line. Heaps of time. Really well done. Oh, quickly.
Start of level 3.
Start of level 3. Head turn, foot over.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice job, Tom.
Ah.
Don't make me hanging, bro. Well done. Good
That's what I
stuff.
thought.
It is. It's hard. Beautiful. Good stuff.
I swear I've made it to like 5 before.
Yeah, but like you said, you haven't been able to test it in a little while due to COVID and a few other different things. So just use it as a starting point, Tom.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab. Actually, we're gonna do this in a slightly different order because I want you to have a little bit of a map while we do the curl up test. What we'll do is a 10-meter agility shuttle run. So it's gonna be sort of similar, I suppose, to the beep test. What I'm gonna do is just grab some planks and measure out 10 meters. Actually, we'll pause